Mates, be honest, how many AI video tools have you tried that generated something you'd actually post? Not many, right? The short clip era has been going on way too long. Today, that changes. I am Daniel, and in this video, we are looking at Topview Agent V2, a tool built specifically for long-form AI clips. Multiple scenes, one workflow, no tab switching. I am going to walk you through the whole thing, what it does, how the multi-scene generation works, and what the output actually looks like. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description after watching this video. There might be some nice discounts there. Let's get started. So friends, Topview is an AI video creation platform, and Agent V2 is their flagship mode, built specifically for long-form content. Most tools top out at 15 seconds. Topview goes further. You can plan multiple scenes, generate them in a queue, extend existing clips, and combine everything into one continuous piece. Now, the model powering all of this is Seedance 2.0, one of the most capable AI video models available right now. And here's the good news. Business annual users get the whole year of unlimited Seedance 2.0 usage. So basically, whether you're building YouTube storytelling content, product demos, marketing videos, educational explainers, or social media clips, this tool is designed to handle it all inside a single workflow. No tool switching, no exporting and re-importing, no mess. Okay folks, let's get into the actual demo. Here on the dashboard, you can see the full range of content categories, from social content and explainers to e-commerce and local services. There's a lot here, but for today, we're heading straight to the Video Agent tool and selecting V2, which is specifically built for long-form Seedance 2.0 videos. Now I paste in my prompt. The idea here is a cinematic story about a young content creator who discovers AI-powered smart glasses that change how he sees the world. Emotional, modern, visually striking. Something that pushes the AI a little. Mates, what's interesting here is that you can also upload reference images or videos alongside your text, and the AI will factor those in. For this run, we're going text only to see what the model proposes on its own. Below the prompt, you have got two generation modes, standard and fast. Standard is powered by Seedance 2.0, so that's what we'll use. Then aspect ratio, I'm going 9:16, the short form vertical format. I'll set the duration to 30 seconds, and then we hit generate. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring. And in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content I make. At this point, the AI starts analyzing the request, prepping templates, and building out a scene structure. In just a moment, we're taken into the chat interface, where the agent starts reasoning through the concept, and then it proposes 3 segments. As you can see, the multi-scene plan maps out the emotional and visual journey across all 3 parts. Each one comes with a description, and you have 2 options: insert and generate immediately, or insert only and manually refine each scene first. And that's where it gets interesting, friends. You can edit the prompt text, upload image, music, or even video references per segment, and you can hit the AI enhancement button to automatically expand and polish each description. I'll click Enhance all scenes, so everything becomes more detailed and cohesive before we generate. After reviewing each part and feeling good about the direction, I click Start Generating. Topview works through each step one by one. You can watch the progress in real time. The first 2 pieces come through pretty quickly, and by the time the third one lands, we've got our full multi-scene set ready to review. So let's take a look at what we got.
The next evolution of content creation is finally here.
The output is solid, good visual quality, the clips feel consistent with the prompt, and the overall mood tracks. For a first-pass generation with no reference images, the AI did a good job interpreting the concept. Next, folks, I want to extend the third clip, so I asked the agent to generate one more scene, continuing from clip 3. And here it is, a clean additional shot. That's the extend feature in action. Instead of regenerating from scratch, you're building forward. At this point, if there's anything you want to tweak, just talk to the agent. Adjust the visual style, change the action, shift the composition. It's all handled in the chat. And once you're happy with everything, you export. You can grab the full video as one file or download the segments individually as a zip. It takes just a few moments, and then it's yours.
The next evolution of content creation is finally here. Everything is about to change. Activating creative layer, environment synchronized, interface responsive, designing in 3 dimensions. The vision of the future is finally coming into focus. Welcome to a world where technology meets the breathtaking scale of imagination.
Alright guys, let's wrap this up. Topview Agent V2 is a genuinely well-built tool for anyone who wants to create multi-scene AI videos without stitching together a dozen different apps. The chat-based agent keeps things intuitive, and the Seedance 2.0 output is reliable. And the ability to extend clips and build a continuous narrative. That's something quite a lot of AI tools still can't do in one place. The good news is the free access lets you explore before committing. And the business annual plan gives you a full year of unlimited generations, which for any serious creator is a fair deal. So mates, if AI video is on your radar and you want a workflow that actually makes sense from prompt to final export, give Topview a shot. It's worth the time. Feel free to check out the links in the description below. You might find some discounts there. As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, until next time.